Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine, and we will be doing not Angular Spring tutorial, as almost always. We will start with the typing. Where's my notes? Okay, so that will be learning, improve my typing. Okay, Spring. Oh, come on. Here we go. Somewhere in there. So start with the typing, less bootstrap. Okay, a lot of repetition. Whatever. Let's get into it. All right. How we are doing? 3%. Oh, nice. done. So let's switch to the notes, and we are continuing in here. And the last thing I was doing was creating a template. I think I did that. Well, either way, I will stop this, start that, switch to the side, and here I have somewhere the student JDBC thingy that definitely I completed. Maybe this file is not up to date. Okay. Right, so I'll switch to the project, and I want Spring example 10. But it's in this window. Okay, so in here, in the project, this one has been finished. This one has been finished a long time ago. And I don't want this, I want... So the main app sounds like something which I didn't finish. Yep, okay, so we are creating view that, oh yeah, and I was running it and it crashed, right? Something was wrong. Oh yeah, driver is deprecated. So JDBC I'm looking for without a file mask. Pum, pum, pum. Pum, 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 pum. Maybe this guy. Yeah. Okay, so I'm using this guy. It even says create register blah blah blah. Okay, so this one is the I'm using com MySQL JDBC driver, and I should use this guy, right? So place that, and I will rerun the main application. I'll see what it will do. It does something when you hover over it. Cool. Cool. This is different thing. So what is exception? Okay, create name that. Can I debug it? Double line breakpoint and do that. Bum, bum, bum. Main app and maybe Alt Enter. Debug. Oh wow, it works. Name is Maya, age is 25. Then, so I will step over, was F8. Yeah. So I'll step over, and now the SQL is this guy. Okay. and here it bumps out. So, and we don't have JDBC template object. Okay. So maybe I did fuck up something in here. That's the JDBC template. Okay. So this is this, and we have it here. Okay, so in the I have set data source. Ah, okay, this line is not there. This will be, yeah, like so. All right, so I can kill it. Control F2. And my F2 is broken. And I'll try to rerun it. Main app, will it do the debug if I press F5? Curious. Ah, cool, it bumps out. But now cannot get JDBC connection exception, nested exception, unknown database test. Okay, so my database probably not test. Where did I in beans? I think. Yeah, so localhost test, and my database is. Open the workbench. Yeah, open it. Go ahead. See what's up. So this is local instance, and it's just a MySQL at localhost. That's where I connect to. So MySQL localhost. What about the port 3306? Okay. So maybe I don't need this test thingy in here. And I will try to rerun it again. And it seems like it bombed out again. Uncategorized. Okay, so that's progress too. No database selected. Oh, okay. So I go here. I do. Okay. And maybe sys is the database. I don't know. I'll try that. Oh. Mm-hmm. Right. so let's do this. Maybe now rerun it. Oh, no. This guy. Okay. Okay, cool. So we have this, that, and on 20, line 20, I've got this is weird. Okay, I can debug it, I think. So we put Control F8, okay, and Alt Enter. Okay, so maybe here debug. So this one we will let run. Okay, now we are here again. Oh, so that will be 3 times. Maybe I don't want the breakpoint in here. So if I step over, yeah, and I go here, I do Control F8. I'll disable the thing and I'll run it. Okay, now we are, that's size 6. What's in there? All elements are null. What are you talking about? Toggle and step over. Student, null pointer exception, get ID. Where's console? Oh, that's just okay. So I don't get anything from there. Well, maybe I can have a look into my database, right? And over here, I can do this, and then I can what? Yeah, so now I have multiple things, and I have one null thing. It was maybe from me playing around with it previously. I don't know. So I will let it bump out. Okay, now if I have a look into the database, or maybe in here I can do that in here too, right? Database. Okay. Now I will add the database in here, and that is MySQL. Cool. So it's localhost, command host, user root. This database will be sys. Okay. Test connection. Driver files. Oh, try to do that. Oh wow. That's cool. And it works. So, wow, it's awesome. Okay, now I can open query sync, right? And I can select everything from students, right? Bum, bum, bum. I think it was students. There was students doesn't exist. Sys tables student. Okay. Okay, cool. I don't see the null thingy in here. And delete from student. This guy, yeah. Execute. I can put those in here, and now we can run this, and it is empty. Cool. So if I go to the main app and run it right now, maybe it will run. Huh, cool. Can I have a null pointer exception in here again? How come? If I select that, I have those. Okay, so I will delete those. Execute. We have a look. Nothing in there. Go to the main and then run that. And I'd like to debug it. Can I debug it somehow? Okay, cool. So student list is array of size 3. Okay, good. Now all of them is all elements are null. How come? It's weird that it returns size 3. Okay, so let's have a look. What do we have here? New student mapper. Maybe we can debug it in here. Control F8. I'll stop everything. Maybe if my F2 key will work again. Okay, good. Now, main app. And we'll debug it. Okay, so this is the SQL. Now we have the string in here, and then we'll go over there. Now the students have size of 6, and all of them are null. This is not good. So it could be a problem in here or in the student mapper. So let's see where I could make the problem. So the JDBC template. And that was the list. So students, JDBC query, new student mapper. That sounds all right. JDBC. right size. Okay, so the student mapper is here. And let's have a look. Okay, so we have implements row mapper. Yep, student. Then we have a map row. Results as int row num. Okay, so we have different. This is called a row num. We are not using it anywhere. Okay. Result set, get int, get age. Age is okay, so doesn't look same to me. Mm-hmm. 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 And sort lines. Sending, okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll try to debug it in here too. So we'll stop everything. Okay, now I go to my console. Have a look at the 6 line. 6 now. Execute. Okay, now we have nothing in there. Try to debug it. Okay, now we are setting the student, and that will be used the student mapper. Okay, so I'll try to run it. And now, okay, so we create a new thing. I have something in the result set. Cool. So DBSys, column use, connection, we have something. Dun. Result set. Well, after this, we will have the student. There's nothing in there. If I step over, the age is 25. Okay, so we are getting that in here. Oh, and I'm returning null. Okay, I see it now. Okay, so stop everything. Cool. And we will return the student of ours. Okay, cool. Now I can rerun it again. Now it should work, I think. I still have to debug. No debug, no breakpoints right now. I just run it, and I won't see the console. And we insert the girls, and now we have the things in here, and we are out of the time. Doesn't matter. I still want to see in the console. So here I'll select everything. Here, and we have 6 entries. In debug we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cool. Cool. So if I clear it now, delete everything. Oh, and it kept increasing the ID. Say where ID bigger than 1. That should avoid the questions all the time if I really want to delete it. Okay, so I've got that. Now I will run the application again, this time just like, oh, I can do this, maybe main app, go. And where is it? Favorites, run, maybe in run it was, yeah, in run. Okay, cool. So it looks like I fixed it in 25 minutes. That's good. That's fruitful. This guy over here says that we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect. And I will see you next time. Bye.